Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe login issues, verification and security fixes step by step clearly. Open your browser and go directly to dashboard. Stripe.com to avoid fake or mistyped links. Check the URL bar for the correct domain and the padlock icon to confirm a secure connection. If the page does not load correctly, try a different browser or open an incognito or private window. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Stripe. Then refresh the page and try again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers, because they can break the login flow. Make sure your device date and time are set automatically, because incorrect time can cause security errors. Type your email and password manually instead of using autofill to avoid wrong credentials. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset using your email inbox. Check your spam and promotions folders for Stripe emails and mark them as safe if needed. If you use a password manager, update the Save Stripe entry after changing your password. When you are asked for a verification code, use the most recent code and do not reuse older messages. If SMS codes are delayed, switch to email code or authenticator app when the option appears. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily, because Stripe may block suspicious locations or IP addresses. Try logging in from your usual device and network to match your normal security pattern. If Stripe shows, "We detected unusual activity," wait a few minutes and retry to avoid repeated lockouts. Open your Stripe account email and confirm it is verified in your mailbox. Then retry login. If you have access, go to Settings and update your phone number so verification messages can arrive. Enable two-step authentication in Stripe settings and choose an authenticator app for more reliable codes. Back up your 2FA recovery codes and store them safely so you can regain access later. If you lost your authenticator device, use recovery codes or start the account recovery process. Check whether your account is managed by a team and ask an admin to confirm your user is still active. Confirm you are using the correct Stripe account if you have multiple businesses or emails. If you see a restricted or verification required message, open the verification prompt and follow it. Upload clear documents and ensure names and business details match exactly what you entered in Stripe. Avoid public Wi-Fi during verification, because security checks may fail on unstable networks. If the login page keeps looping, remove saved site data for Stripe and restart the browser completely. If you still cannot access, contact Stripe support from the official support page and include screenshots and timestamps. After support resolves the issue, change your password again and review recent login activity for anything suspicious. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.